Hey class, Mrs. Anderson here. I just wanted to take a minute and show you how you're going to take notes and submit your assignments going forward for the next few weeks or however long we are online for. So everything's going to be done through Schoology. So the first thing you need to do is log into your Schoology. Find your class. I made a practice math class that I'm a student in, so I'm going to go there. Now, in each of the classes, you'll have the quarter 4 online folder. And then in that folder, I'm going to make your assignments weekly. So you'll see the first week is April 1st through the 3rd. That's that Wednesday through that Friday. So if you click into that, you can see your expectations. That's the first thing I want you to look at is your lesson plans and your expectations. So when you go into the week, I want you to check out your expectations. This will show you what you need to watch and then what is due and when it is due by, and that's what you're going to get your points for the class. So make sure you check out those weekly expectations. Then once you do that, it will give you a little green check mark that says that you've completed that. Next, you can go to your assignment. And I set these up as a OneDrive assignment. So this is what it should look like. Go under My Document. This is going to be your notes and your homework all in one file. So we're not going to want to submit. Make sure you don't hit this submit assignment until you finished your notes and all of your homework problems. Once you've done that, so you can go back in here multiple times and edit it. Once you're completely done, then you'll submit. Don't submit before that. So in this, go to My Document. So I clicked on My Document and then click this Microsoft Word. You do want to select Open an App, and you can see it will bring you to a Microsoft Word document. And then you'll see that you'll have your notes first, and then after the notes, it will have the practice problems for you to do. So it's all in one file. Okay, now to take notes at the same time. So you were just in Schoology, you pulled this up in Microsoft Word. So now if you swipe up from the bottom, you'll see your most recent used apps. And my video for your notes is in Schoology. So you'll select the Schoology app, kind of hold it down, and then drag it up. So hold it down a little bit. Whoops. Let me go back into that here. Okay, so grab the Schoology app, hold it up. Then I'm going to put it on the left side because I'm right-handed. So if you just drag it over, you can split your screen. Okay, in there, then I'm going to go back to the folder, week 1 folder, and you can see the week 1 video. Then I'm going to make that zoom in a little bit to make it bigger. And then I'm going to zoom out of this side to make it a little smaller. And then I can go to the Draw tab and I can turn my video on and then take notes over here. Hey class, it's Mrs. Anderson here. This is week 1. We're going to start. So I'll pause that. So then once I'm done with this, so I've taken my notes and got my notes, and then I'm going to try my practice problems. Okay. You can grab the middle tab right here and slide this all the way over either way. So if we want to go back to Word. Now, you do not want to save this document or anything. What you're going to do is just hit this little arrow there to go back. Okay. And then you can go back into Schoology. So say you didn't finish it and you want to go back in and edit that assignment again, you can go back into your document and the document will be here. If you open it again, it will have your annotations that you did, and then you can finish it up. When you're completely done with it, hit that arrow back, go back to Schoology. If you're completely done, that's when you can then submit the assignment. Okay. So once you hit submit submit assignment, yes, submit, I'm done with everything, then I will get the assignment and I can grade it. I can also see your progress as you go. So if you get stuck on a problem, just close out of it and then let me know, and I can go in and I can even write some notes on there for you, or give you some feedback so you can get some help before you submit. So then once you've submitted, so you did your notes and stuff, you'll see that that will turn green. Then once you've submitted, then you can open the answer key for the homework and you can check your answers. And then once you've checked your answers, then you can do your quizzes practice problems. Notice that when you do this assignment in there, when it opens up in Word, it will create a OneDrive file for you, so you will be able to find that worksheet later in your OneDrive with your annotations on it if you wanted to check your answers side by side to that. And then check your answers, and then you'll see for week 1, I also have a quizzes practice problems. When you log into the quizzes practice problems, you do need to make sure you put your name. So if I assign you a quiz, I need you to put your full name, because that's how you're going to get credit for it. If you put a different name or a nickname or something, I might not know who that is. So there you go. That's what you need for the week. And then once you've completed everything in the folder, and I'm not sure why this isn't opening. I think when I set it up, I might have made a mistake here, but once you've completed everything in the week will turn green, and you'll know that you're done with that for that week. Okay, well, I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions. I think the doing it all in Schoology and be able to write on it just like that will be the easiest way for us to keep everything organized. All right, I look forward to talking to you guys next week.